First, let's prepare a quick garlic butter spread. Grab a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of softened butter. Then, press or finely mince 2 medium garlic cloves. Mix it all together and set it aside for later. For the main spread, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of butter to a larger bowl. Grate 4 tablespoons of cheese. Any kind you like will work. Parmesan, cheddar, or American are all great options. And add 1 teaspoon of mustard for an extra kick. Then chop 1 tablespoon of fresh herbs, a dill, green onion, or parsley, which are perfect. Mix everything together until smooth and creamy. Lay out 2 slices of bread on a cutting board. Spread the mixture evenly on both sides of each slice, making sure to get a nice, smooth coating for that perfect flavor. Now grab 2 slices of deli ham for each sandwich. Feel free to add more if you'd like. Lay the ham neatly on 1 slice of bread and gently press it down. Before moving to the air fryer, take the garlic butter spread you made earlier and evenly coat both the top and bottom of the sandwich. This will give it a deliciously golden, crispy exterior. Gently place the sandwich in your air fryer. Set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius and let it cook for 10 minutes. About halfway through, flip it over carefully to ensure both sides crisp up evenly. And there you have it! That golden crust, the melted cheese, and the savory filling are absolutely irresistible. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.